Hello guys, welcome on my channel Gaming Rocks, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. And today in this video we will talk about how to get unlimited coins and keys for Subway Surfers. To get unlimited coins and keys for Subway Surfers, you need to follow these quick steps. First, go to Play Store and search Alberta Hack Store. Then download and install the Alberta Hack Store. As you can see it, I have already download and install it, so let's open it. Then go to the hacks section and search Subway Surfers hack. Then open it. Then go to the installation. You can share it with this application or wait for the timer. I will share it. So the timer has up. So you have to give your email to get the hack link. So I have given my email. Let's continue it. So the email has sent to my Gmail account. So let's see it. Go to email. Then wait for the email come. As you can see it guys, the email has come with the download link. So open the download link. It will open on your browser and it says, so download the hack. I will pause the video to download the whole hack. After downloading, just install it and enjoy the hack. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that thumbs up button if you liked. Goodbye.